Hello and welcome to LookKiosk.com. This is a web platform that lets you analyze at any time the latest statistics collected from your audio guides. This will enable you to gain insights on what exhibits people are seeing and how to potentially improve the visitor experience. This is a quick overview on how you can get going and set up your first project so you can start collecting statistics and analyzing your data. First, simply head to LookKiosk.com and enter your email address. Click Send Link and you will receive an email with a login link. Simply click the link in your email to log in. Once you log in, you should see a list of all the projects you are assigned to and projects you are invited to. For example, here I'm invited to project called Project. I can either accept or ignore the invitation. We're gonna accept. If you don't have any invitation yet, simply ask an administrator of the project you'd like to join to add you to their project. Once you join a project, either the project will be empty like this one, which means that no statistics have been collected yet and you will have to initialize the project, or you will go straight to the page and be able to analyze your data. To configure your project, head over to Settings on the top. First, you need to import the content from the guide.ini file. Second, you need to download the software to upload the statistics data. And third, you need to invite users to join you. Let's start with the content. Simply locate your guide.ini file. This is the file that you use to configure your audio guide content on the LookForm application. Once you locate it, choose the file and upload it. Once you select the guide.ini file, you should instantly see the list of languages and the list of exhibitions that were stored on the file. You can edit the names of each language. This is purely for informational purposes, as well as the names of the exhibitions, also for informational purposes. You can also add, for example, a description where you give yourself a note of what this exhibit is about. This is useful for the statistics, because once you have many statistics with different numbers, you would want to know what this number corresponds to. For example, if number 1 is introduction, simply name it introduction, click save, and then you'll know that the statistics for ID number 1 correspond to the introduction. You can also do this for different languages by simply selecting other languages for which you would want to add a name. Once you've successfully imported the project content, you're ready to start uploading data from your audio guides. To do this, head on over to Software. It's the second tab next to Content. Here, download the software and run it on a Windows computer. This software will be used to take the data from the audio guide and upload it to the LookKiosk.com platform. Once you run the software, it should look something like this. It asks you for a code. This code is nothing else but the code located on the platform that you see here. So take this code and insert it into the Look Statistics upload software. Make sure this is the correct code corresponding to the project you'd like to upload data to. Then click Submit. You should then see this image appear, asking you to connect your audio guide to your computer. To connect your audio guide to your computer is nothing else but with the adapter. So simply connect the adapter to your computer and then take your audio guide and connect it to the adapter. You will then have a notification telling you how many new visits have been uploaded if it has been successful. And that's it. Simply take the next audio guide and keep uploading data. After you've uploaded lots of data, you will then be able to see this updated under the Insights tab. But let's first invite other users. Head on to Users. If you want to add another administrator to your project, simply type in their email toggle Admin and press Update or Invite User. You will then see an invitation. You can remove the invitation at any time by clicking the trash icon. If you want to invite a user that has only access to the statistics and does not have access to all the settings, simply do not toggle the admin and leave the View Statistics toggled on. Then update or invite the user. When the users log in to the home page, they should see the invitation that they can either accept or ignore. Now let's go back to the insights and see the statistics we uploaded earlier. Click Insights. And voila, it's already updated. Here you have an overview of the different languages that the people listen to. So for example, for English, we've got 39 unique visitors. You can click on each language to update the views accordingly. Below, we've got the exhibit ID, the name that we assign in the settings for informational purposes, the number of visits, and the average listening time. And that's it. Hope you enjoy LookKiosk.com, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out.